Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama Lab. Today I'm gonna show you how to transform your Windows 11 into stunning liquid glass look. Smooth, glossy, modern. Inspired by Apple's liquid glass design. No complicated coding, no risk system tweaks, just a few files and simple steps. All the files you need are linked in the video description. So let's jump right in. So, first things first, open your browser and download this wallpaper. The wallpaper downloading link will be given in the description. And then you need to go to the website WindHawk.net. Here you can see download buttons. Click on download, and it's getting downloaded. Again, go to this website GitHub page. The link will be given in the description too. Now, click on latest, and then scroll. And here you get release 64 zip. Click on it, and done. Now you can close the browser, open a file explorer. Now extract the zip file. Now you can delete the zip file. Now set the provided wallpaper as desktop background. The moment you do this, Windows install will get the smooth, glossy, liquid glass vibe. This wallpaper is the foundation of the whole look. So don't skip this step. Now let's make the file explorer look clean and glossy. Now open File Explorer inside my Blur folder. Inside it, double click on the registry file. You might see a pop-up asking you permission to run this. Click on Run. Click on Yes. And click on OK. Now you can close it and open the File Explorer. Now you can see there is a blur effect. To see it clearly, right click on the desktop. Go to personalization, go to colors, and set the theme as dark. And once it's done, your File Explorer becomes transparent, minimal, and beautiful. Now it's time to level up your taskbar. Install WindHawk from File Explorer. Now after installing, open WindHawk. Click on Explore and search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Open it and click on Install. Once installed, click on Settings, open the drop-down, and scroll. Select Windows Glass. Click Save Settings. And here is the magic. Your taskbar now has the premium glass effect. Let's make it even better. Install Taskbar Height and Icon Size from WindHawk. Now to do this, go to this application again, and go to Explorer again. And here is the thing, taskbar height and icon size. Click on detail, click on install. Accept, and it's done. Now open settings, put the taskbar height as 70, put the icon size as 30, button width as 40, small icon size as 20, small taskbar buttons width 30, and then click save settings. And adjust like that. Your taskbar looks bold, modern, and high-end. And there you have it. Your very own liquid glass Windows 11 setup. Clean, glossy, and absolutely beautiful. If you ever want to restore everything, for File Explorer, go to this folder again, and run and install registry file. Run it. Again, run. And yes. Okay. Now it's done. Again, click on File Explorer. Go to downloads, and you can see it's done. For taskbar, open WindHawk and remove both modes we installed earlier. And then click on Start menu and search for Control Panel. Go to there and select the VYS category and click on Install Program. And from there, select WindHawk and install it. It's done. Click on Close. Also close it. Now you can delete everything from there. And to restore your wallpaper, go to Settings, go to Personalization, and go to Colors. Select your wanted, and again go to Personalization, go to Background, and here is the old wallpaper. Select it, and done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.